Nexmosphere offers several elements to facilitate user input, such as button interfaces and air button sensors. In this video, we'll explain and demo an alternative for mechanical push buttons, the XT touch buttons. These sensors apply capacitive sensing to determine whether a person's fingertip touches the sensor or its top surface. The circles on the panel indicate the actual touch button areas which can detect a touch. The XT touch buttons are flat panel sensors which are designed to be installed below a top panel surface, such as a retail shelf. This top panel can be any non-metal material, for example glass, acrylic or wood, and can have a thickness between 1 and 12 millimeters, depending on the size of the touch button which is being applied. The sensor can be fixated to the top panel using double-sided tape. The flush side of the touch panel, on which no components are placed, is the side which needs to be installed against the back of the top panel. Pay attention that the full area of the touch panel is covered with double-sided tape to ensure optimal performance. The sensor is completely invisible on the front of the top panel, providing a lot of design freedom as you can print or place stickers on the touch button areas. When my fingertip touches the button, an API message is sent to the connected media player, which can be used as a trigger to start a new video or, for example, to control the volume of the audio. When my finger is removed from the button, an API message is sent as well, and these messages can be used to incorporate triggers based on long button presses or triggers on release of the button. On XT touch button panels with multiple touch areas, each button pad communicates its own unique API command and can therefore supply an individual trigger. Next to this, the touch buttons are also equipped with LEDs that can be used as status indicators and give touch input feedback. They can be set to be on or off and to slow blink or fast blink. When using the LEDs, make sure that the material of the top panel is either translucent or that the light can shine through a small hole in the presentation furniture, so it becomes visible. The XT range comes in 4 different models. In the demo over here, we have installed the large-sized XT1G and the 4-button XT4F. Next to this, we also have a small-sized single button available and a squared 4-button panel. As the XT touch buttons are standard X-Talk elements, they can be connected to any of our controllers and combined with any other elements such as presence sensors and LED lighting. If you would like to know more about the XT touch buttons, please send an email to applications@nexmosphere.com. Thank you.